Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make a cooking show. First, choose your theme and decide what type of cooking show you want to create. Next, gather all of your equipment and ingredients that you'll need for the show. Make sure you have a camera, microphone, and adequate lighting to capture your cooking process. Plan out the structure of your show, including an introduction, main cooking segment, and conclusion. Write a script or outline to guide you through the show and keep you on track. Practice your presentation skills to appear confident and engaging on camera. Start by introducing yourself and explaining the purpose of your cooking show. Demonstrate each cooking step clearly and explain any techniques or ingredients you are using. Engage with your audience by talking directly to the camera and asking them questions throughout the show. Keep the flow of your show smooth and entertaining by editing out any unnecessary pauses or mistakes. Consider adding music or special effects to enhance the viewing experience for your audience. Include tips and tricks for viewers to implement in their own cooking endeavors. Engage with your audience by responding to their comments and questions on your videos. Be authentic and let your personality shine through to create a connection with your audience. Make sure to explain the recipe clearly and provide accurate measurements and cooking times. Take the time to set up your cooking station and make it visually appealing to the viewers. Be mindful of your camera angles and make sure to capture close-up shots of the cooking process. Use a variety of camera shots, such as medium shots and wide shots, to add visual interest to your show. Consider including a taste testing segment to give your audience an idea of how the final dish tastes. End your cooking show with a conclusion and thank your audience for watching and supporting your channel. Edit your videos professionally to ensure high-quality visuals and audio for your viewers. Share your cooking show on various platforms, such as YouTube, Instagram, or your own website. Promote your cooking show through social media, collaborations, and guest appearances on other channels. Connect with other cooking enthusiasts and collaborate with them to grow your audience and reach. Continuously improve your cooking show by listening to feedback from your viewers and implementing suggestions. Stay consistent with your content and upload new episodes regularly to keep your audience engaged. Remember to enjoy the